I want to add a new section, and let's talk about some other kinds of sections. The first one was a custom section that we built out, but you don't have to do that every single time. If you look down here, we have a lot of other kind of banners. Those are going to be like large announcements, usually for the header higher up in your website. Sometimes smaller things like this could be like free shipping or made in the USA or whatever that you could have, scrolling as a marquee there. We have split showcase, and then down here you can kind of scroll through them. A lot of collections ones. You can have carousel showing a bunch of different products in a collection. I really like that one, and I think we will have that one set up. You could also have it set up as a grid or like a kind of editorial spaced out a little bit. We've got contact forms, and we do have to set that up on the back end. I'll talk about a good software that you could use for managing emails. And we have, of course, custom stuff. If you want to add some code, that's right there. There are featured product options here. And again, similar to the collection, we can have them either like just recommended products or just kind of scattered out as an editorial format. We have editorial stuff. We have really, they call it storytelling. Really, this is going to be more like FAQs, any other information kind of things, maybe like our story, or if you want to have a quote or testimonials, all of that could be down in this little section right here, or this group of sections, I should call it. So let's say maybe this one, I mentioned we wanted to have a collection, but yeah, let's do a collection instead of a list of products. That way, if we change products, we won't have a blank space there. It'll automatically refill with something else. We're going to use smart collections, and I'll show you how to set that up in a minute. But let's say we're going to have a carousel of collections. We've got collections, and you can have multiple different collections. So you could have like the summer, the fall, the spring collection, whatever. And that's why they look a little bit different there. What I want to have is going to be a product list. And so let's say the product list is going to be a carousel like this. I know we had a grid before. I want a carousel, just like one line of products. And I'm going to click on that. It'll add it immediately below the welcome section.